Hi, it's Dr. David Green, founder and CEO of R3 Stem Cell, the global leader in regenerative therapies. Are you in the Los Angeles metro area and looking for a non-surgical way to get back the hair that you've been losing? R3 Stem Cell offers your best option with what's known as the regenerative trifecta. It's our trademarked proprietary combination of umbilical cord stem cells, umbilical cord exosomes, and PRP combined together. Now, PRP is platelet-rich plasma therapy. It's where we take some of your blood and we spin it to concentrate the growth factors and combine that with the stem cells and the exosomes. It's been the optimal way to get new hair stimulated out of the follicles along with increased thickness when that hair comes back in. Let's look at a couple cases. Now, this middle-aged female was perimenopausal and her hair was severely thinning when she came into our Beverly Hills clinic to see our providers. With just one procedure of the regenerative trifecta, within 3 months, her hair was coming back in droves. Not only new hair, but also the thickness of that hair. Now let's look at one more case. Now this young man came into R3 and his hair was beginning to fall out. He wanted to stop that and reverse it, so our providers did, once again, the regenerative trifecta. You can see it being performed here. With just one procedure, not only did his hair come back that he had lost, but he gained a lot of new hair and increased thickness as well. Now, not only did this change his personal life, but also his professional life. His self-confidence went through the roof once these results started to occur. Now, you have to be wary of most Los Angeles area clinics that are offering a stem cell hair regeneration procedure. Why? Because most of them are offering simply PRP, which is where they take some of your blood and do a procedure that is not going to be very effective. Or they're offering an exosome procedure and calling it a stem cell procedure. Exosomes are not stem cells. They're not cells at all. They're actually byproducts of stem cells. But what we found over the last decade of performing 27,000 regenerative procedures in 8 countries and 80 centers globally, as the world's largest provider of regenerative therapies, we know that our proprietary regenerative trifecta is your best option to get the outcome that you desire. And you don't have to get your head shaved like you would for a hair transplant. It's not going to cost you $12,000 to $20,000 US like it would for a transplant. This is a very cost-effective procedure that you have to get one time to get the results that you desire. So what are you waiting for? Call us today at 844-GET-STEM. for a free consultation to see if you or a loved one is a candidate. Visit us online at r3stemcell.com. Tons of educational information on the site. Scroll down, download our free consumer guide to stem cell therapy for hair regeneration. I've written it and given you a lot of background information and a summary of the peer-reviewed research studies from around the world which mirrors our experience. Thank you.